y'all, it's the Plant Ninja, and today's video is going to be about Grizzly's Hidden Falls, which is a local nursery here in Nolan Mill, Texas. The staff are super friendly, and as you saw earlier, the grounds are very charming. They have a huge tree selection. This is not the only section of trees we'll highlight in this video, but really beautiful redbuds, crepe myrtles, a nice selection of oaks. Most of them appear to be in about 15 to 35 gallon pots. And then I thought this magnolia over here was just so beautiful. I snagged a few of these Lantana. If you're looking for a flower that can deal with triple-digit Texas heat, Lantana is it. They have a nice selection of shrubs, and fall is a perfect time to plant them. Asters are another great fall perennial, which look beautiful in containers and in the ground. Here you've got some really beautiful hibiscus. I was totally amazed at the size of these blooms. Look at all these great echinacea color options. These, along with the rudbeckia, also known as black-eyed Susans, are great fall flowers, and when the seed heads dry, they will also feed your birds. Grape myrtles are such a staple for most gardeners, and here they've got an excellent selection of Catawba, Natchez, Tuscarora, and Arapaho varieties. I can't believe that it's already fall, but as you can see here, it looks like the mums have recently been delivered and they're just getting ready to start showing off their beautiful colors. Such a beautiful desert willow. Some of you may remember mine didn't survive transplantation, but I hope its replacement looks this good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. That way you know when I uploaded new content, which is roughly every 2 weeks. If you're local to our area, the Killeen, Fort Hood, Nolanville, Harker Heights area, please consider going to Grizzly's Hidden Falls Nursery. They are great. I really personally try to use our small businesses first. I am grateful for the big box options. However, I know how important it is to our local economy to support small business. And so if you can make it out, even if you don't buy anything, it'll be a treat. Anyway, y'all take care.